Have you ever stood before a breathtaking photograph and wondered how did they do that? The difference between a casual snapshot and a masterpiece suitable for framing isn't just an expensive camera, it's understanding light. To capture images like these, you must master the exposure triangle. It's the absolute foundation of all photography. Aperture controls your depth of field, letting you blur a background or keep a vast landscape perfectly sharp. Shutter speed freezes high-speed action in its tracks or captures the smooth, silky flow of motion over time. And ISO balances your camera sensitivity, letting you shoot perfectly, even in low light. Balancing these three elements unlocks your creative vision. Whether you are looking to capture the raw, split-second intensity of wildlife, or the gritty textures, shadows, and perfect lighting of a mechanical still life, getting exposure right is what transforms a good idea into a stunning piece of wall art. But you don't have to spend years figuring this out through frustrating trial and error. My best-selling photography book breaks down the exposure triangle so it's simple, actionable, and easy to master. If you want to create images that belong in a frame, grab your copy today and start shooting like a pro. Let's keep it simple.